everybody. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a origami Santa. So this is what it should look like when we're done. It should be like a little Santa. Okay, you might recommend using regular paper, and you can cut it into a square because that's easier for us to do our folds. Or you could just use regular paper and you don't have to cut it into a square, but we're gonna do that. So the first thing you wanna do for your origami Santa is you wanna fold it like this. So you wanna make it so that it's folded like this. Then what you wanna do is you wanna fold it in half. So look, it should look like this. Then you wanna open it up to make a regular piece of paper. Your paper should be looking like this. And then you wanna we're gonna make a few guide folds. So you wanna make these two guide folds. And then you wanna do lines. And you wanna do lines. So you wanna do these. These are just guide folds to help us. And then we're gonna make it so that it's a triangle. Triangle. Then what you wanna do is you wanna make another little triangle right here. Triangle. You see that? And then you want to put your triangle down. You want to fold it down. Then you want to fold it back up. And then you want to tuck it down. Then you want to do lines. Then here you have his hat. Then we're going to fold his arms. Fold his arms. So here you see. And you want to make sure they're in front of his face. His arms. Look at his arms. Okay, then you're going to turn it back over. Then we're going to fold. Fold. And then fold again. If you want to make your paper, your model to look like this, then you want to turn it over. You make sure your your little heart shape is upside down to make it look like a Santa. And then we're gonna make his arms. So you wanna fold down the little triangles so that you can make his arms sticking out. Make his arms sticking out, so look. Now we're gonna make his legs. You can do automatic legs. Like I already kind of folded the little legs down there. But you can make a face on him, and that is what your model should look like now. This activity might be difficult for little older kids, but this might be difficult for our younger friends on the show. But maybe your grown-up, maybe you can be your grown-up's helper, and maybe your grown-up can fold it for you. But this activity is for older kids. But this is what your little Santa should look like. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. So this is how to make it. This is what your finished model should look like. It's not the best, but it's not perfect, but it's the best I could do for you guys. Bye, everyone. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Bye.